So I got it. What I did was raised it up enough. You see, that's about 4 or 5 inches. I started right here. Well, I started right here or right here. I started right here. Raised all that up on the low gear. With this, you can see I bent it up a little bit, but so to all the new drivers out there, when you pick a trailer up and there's dirt and rocks on there, on the landing gear, just take 1 second and brush it off so it don't fall on anyone's car while you're driving on the highway, crack any windshields or anything like that. You know, put yourself in the shoes of the motorist.